Hi guys, welcome. In today's video, I will teach you the easiest and the fastest way to copy or share your files across systems. Alright, that is from system A to system B. Alright, without a flash drive or any kind of external storage device. Also, you will learn how to operate any laptop or desktop from the comfort of your home, whether these systems are in Nigeria and you are in any location of your choice. I hope that sounds interesting. So let's do this magic together. Alright guys, the app we needed to get is called Index. And I will be doing that from the second system, from the laptop, not on the desktop, because I have it on the desktop already. Okay, so going to the laptop, just search Index on Google, click the first link. Once it opens, just click on download now. Okay, as you can see, it's downloading. When it's finished, when the download is finished, okay, as you can see, let's go to our downloads, right click on this and run the installation. Okay, allow access. Okay, this is all we needed to do on the laptop. Then we'll come to desktop. Since we have the app here, so we click to launch it. Fine and good. So now each of these system has their different IP address. So since I want to use the desktop to operate the laptop, so I will take this IP address or this address of this system and impute it here. All right, so that is 179.996.681, and I will do enter. Press my enter key. Now the notification has come here. So that means the desktop is sending a notification to the laptop, all right, for the permission to operate the laptop. So I will just click on accept, and as you can see, this one says please wait for the remote side to accept the section request. So I will come here and I will accept it. It's connecting. And boom, that's it. So as you can see, this whole section now represents this laptop. You can see my mouse. I'm trying to hover my mouse here, but if I leave here, it will disappear from here, because outside of this screen is my desktop, but inside of this screen is my laptop. So as you can see, I will use this my desktop and control whatever thing that goes on in my laptop. So let me minimize this. I've equally minimized, so I can see my desktop here. So I can quickly run to let me go to my desktop. Do you understand? You can see the two. Okay, that's lovely. So with this, you can access anything. Now what I want to show us now is the easiest way. Let me go to my own desktop on this place and try to copy my image in one of my files, maybe this, and my cover letter. Okay, I press Ctrl C, I go here. Now this is the desktop. I can right click and I will paste. Did you see the magic? It's pasting. So like what I told you, whether this system is in Nigeria and you are in Canada or in any part of the world, you don't need a flash drive before you can share anything. All right, you copy it, it maintains the same quality. It does not risk the quality of maybe it would the quality will drop if I send it via WhatsApp or any kind of social media. We are not talking about social media, and this is another fastest way you can share, whether it's a large file. And trust me, there are some large files you can't share through WhatsApp. all right, or even Telegram. Good. But with this, be it movie, you can share it. All right, let me look for another one and equally show you. So let me say is this one, which is my CV and my files. I'm just trying to share my personal files. All right, now I go here again, I right click on the desktop and I say paste. That's it. It's going. No matter the size of the desktop, it will paste. I don't need to be close to you before I can share files. That error has gone. So do you understand? Remember, the connection is a simple process. Just impute the IP address from your laptop to the desktop and you are good to go. You can control anything. All right. So while that one is copying, this is the desktop. I can still open the browser. On that system. Maybe visit istock.com. It's going. I'm operating the system without touching the laptop. All right. Maybe I can say couples hangouts. All right, and that's it. Do you understand? So guys, this is how you can share your files, copy your files, operate any system irrespective of your location. As long as you have access to the remote system, you have the IP address, you can do anything, you can operate it. I know you got value in this video. Please encourage me by smashing the like button, subscribe and share this video with your friends. And if you have any questions or topics you would want me to cover, please drop them in the comment section below and I will see you in the next video.